But you realise that that's just the way it is, so you just go, whatever. Take your time. Remember, you get paid by the hour, not by the lift. So if it takes you a bit longer to get the job done, well, that's in your favour, really. And nowadays, in this economy, an extra hour, there's a difference between a couple of litres of petrol or a loaf of bread. Because it's sure as fuck you're not getting butter or fucking eggs or cheese. No, it's not bad at all. A lot of the ones that I used to do that were overnight, they changed to run during the day, because some of them they wouldn't give us access, so you'd have to wait till they'd start working, and you're like, oh fuck, so you'd go all the way through till, 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, and then you'd park up and you'd wait till 9:30, 10 o'clock, and they hated paying the extra all the hours, so they shifted it. They're like, oh, instead of getting 12-hour days, you're only getting 8-hour days. It's like, whatever works. Still don't stop me from pulling up, sleeping and fucking chilling out. Nah, no need to apologise, kangaroo. You're all good. You're making coffee. You're getting yourself put together. Building the old firing the engines for the day. I mean, customer service. I wouldn't say it's a bad thing, if you Irished up your coffee a bit just so you could cope. You're always so happy first thing in the morning, but by 10 o'clock you're a grumpy bastard. What's the deal? Well, that's when I've sobered up from a morning coffee.
I'll show you mine, you show me yours first. Let's compare scars, I'll tell you whose is worse. And let's unwrite these pages and replace them with our own ones. We live on front porches and swing rifles.
Crikey, there's one of our old trucks. Jesus. Dirty old front load.
I won't cross these streets until you hold my hand. Swing life away.
Fucking A. That's why I'd never work in customer service role. Because I'd be a full-fledged fucking alcoholic. And not by choice. Well, if you can't be honest, I don't know what you can or can't be. You might as well be honest. Not that I'm one to judge anyway.
It's not a question, but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind, hanging on a shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos and memories and skin on trial.
I think you're a fucking sociopath if you fucking like dealing with people in customer service roles. Honestly. I love being fucking tormented and having to smile constantly and being polite all the time to people who just don't warrant that behaviour. Yay! That's the straight up grounds for like, you should want to shoot yourself. No one should deal with that. Oh, hell. Good morning, Kelsey. Oh, when it's family business, then yeah, well, that's a bit different. You have to do what you gotta do. But if you're doing it for the sake of doing it, then yeah, that makes complete and utter no sense. Sticking around at something that you don't like doing. That is sociopath. It is indeed, Charles. Good old Hamilton. Look at this, dicks on bikes, fucking God, when you just want to hit him and knock him off his bike, like, Russ, hurry the fuck up, stop pedaling like a tool. Actually bike, you nutter. Some things just shouldn't be allowed on the road, and that's men in fucking tights. No thank you. Yeah, nah, you're broken, kangaroo, that's what it is. Your spirit has been broken. Your will to live has been snapped and buried and gone. Oh, that's fucking excellent. Even better. Bin's empty. Yes. I like it when the cage is empty. Like, company don't like it so much, but I love it. So I just get to roll on by. Nah, some people are made for that, though. Well, you know, have to admit. Some people are built for customer service. Oh, trust me, common sense and riding a bike, two things that don't work. And blokes wearing tights. Yeah, nah. I remember once, fucking bloke I worked with years back now, when I was only a young fella. He fucking we were in the van cruising along, and he's like, fuck, check the ass out on that. And I was like, nah, it's a bloke. He goes, nah, it's a Sheila, man. Check it out, it's got no nuts hanging in between there. And I said, those nuts have been squashed in a bike seat so much that they've become internal. He might as well have ovaries. And he's like, nah, it's a chick, man. Sure enough, it was a bloke as we went past. And the look on his face when he was mortified, I said, I knew you were fucking queer. Yeah, I could see how that could be a problem, Kels. I could see how that could be a problem. Yeah, it's so true. Yeah, it is a bit of a hassle. It should have only been made one side parking only, not both sides. Very narrow street. That's why I'm grateful that I only have to occasionally ring customers and talk to them. And then you put on the, good morning, it's Martin from EnviroNZ, how are you this morning? Look, I'm just here coming to empty your cardboard cage, and you put on the whole polite and nice. Afterwards, you're like trying to scratch your tongue and, you know, like poke your eardrums because you're like, ooh, who is that person? Oh, definitely. Talking is a skill, yeah. Definitely have that down pat, not gonna lie. No. Oh no, like, I never got lucky when it come to being the old coffee ladies, eh? I mean, I've got a really good coffee lady now, not gonna lie. I'm always polite, honestly, eh? Thank you for backing me up here, baby girl. I'm always polite. I'm always kind, caring, and considerate for other people's feelings. It's not my fault that you can't handle the truth. Oh, hell. Come on, kangaroo. Clean your fucking room up.